When reviewing a student's test through the Assignment Reviewer report, you can review tests by question. First, select the Assignment Reviewer report under the Reports tab. Select Web Tests, then the assessment you would like to review. Select a student's name to begin reviewing that student's test. Select Review Attempt, which brings you to an overview of the student's performance on this assessment. Select Next to begin reviewing individual questions. From here, if you select Assignment Builder Order in the top left-hand corner, you can then begin using the arrows at the top of the page to navigate between other students to see how they answered that same question. By default, you'll only see students who answered questions incorrectly. You will see the student's name at the top of the page, the student's answer, as well as the correct answer displayed. Additionally, use the left and the right-hand navigation panels or the drop-down menu in the top left-hand corner to navigate between the incorrect answers for any specific student. In other words, even though I opened Assignment Reviewer for Erlinda's test, I can still review other students' tests from this one location. I'm currently reviewing all of Melissa's incorrect answers. If you're interested in reviewing all questions on a test at once for all students, consider deselecting Hide Correct so that you can navigate through the test one question at a time and review each student's answer for every question.